in today's video, I will be doing a flea market flip challenge. So for those of you who have never seen the show, the premise is that teams go into flea markets, they find furniture, flip it, they sell it for a profit, and whoever makes the most money is the winner. So I'm doing my own mini version of this on my channel. So guys, this thrift store was so freaking gross. I could not wait to get out of it, but I was so happy to find this chair. They were running some kind of special, so I ended up getting the chair for only $6. So this really helped save on my budget. I decided I wasn't going to spend any more than $25 total for the project. So next I headed over to Hobby Lobby and I picked up this fur. The fur came out to $25.48 for a yard and a half worth of fabric, but Hobby Lobby always has a 40% off coupon on their website, so that brought my total down to $17. So with the right tools, this project is really easy. Basically the chair is in really good condition, so all I had to do was disassemble it. Y'all know I am a spray paint junkie, so I am using Rust-Oleum's bright metallic gold spray paint. And I didn't have to pay for the spray paint because I already had some left over from another project. So now the fun part. So we're just going to be stapling the fur onto the chair cushion. This is very easy and simple. When you're cutting your fabric, you just want to measure first to make sure the fur is going to wrap all the way around the chair and just staple it. That simple. So before we can reassemble the chair back together, you will need to cut away the excess fur. This does make quite a mess, but I found that the vacuum sucks up all the little extra pieces perfectly. Can I get a thumbs up just for my efforts? I mean, I'm underneath this chair as if it's a car or something. So you just want to reassemble the pieces back together. And then this is the final result. So now we're going to just take some pictures and list it for sale on the Facebook Marketplace and see what happens. I was so impressed with how well this chair turned out that I really wanted to keep it, but I sold it for one day later on Facebook Marketplace for $85. And this is the chair in its new home. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and make sure you're following me on Instagram.